Well, I'm doing a review, well, not really a review, just a video of how amazing KTMs are. Well, right now I got me a KTM 250 SX 2-stroke. It is a mean, crazy bike. I hopped off of a freaking 125 and hopped on this. Got the whole FMF gnarly pipe. Then I got the Power Core 2, yeah, and the amazing Jägermeister seat. Just amazing. Oh, and best part about my bike, I have broke my tail fin. Just happened yesterday. Ordered a new one from Motorsport. Get that in. But yeah, this is a 2003 KTM. I would suggest you buy a KTM. They're amazing. But yeah, that's the rest of my video. See y'all guys later. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button about right down here somewhere. And then you can come talk.